failed this coding question during one of my interviews for $150,000 software engineer position. So given a binary tree, return the vertical order traversal of its node values. Let's go over the definition of vertical order traversal, so we will need to visit the node values top to bottom, column by column. Let's say we're given this binary tree. If we perform a vertical order traversal, we will get the node values in the following order. Let's go over the thought process. We can label each of the nodes with a column number. When we go leftward, we can decrease the number. When we go rightward, we can increase the number. Then we can create a hash map to keep track of the column and the list of node values. Now a side case we need to handle is when two nodes are in the same row and column, we will need to visit the node values from left to right. In order to handle the side case, we can implement a level order traversal. Let's go over the code, create a custom class to keep track of the column of the node, implement the function vertical order taking the roots. If roots is node, return an empty list, create the queue and the map, keep track of the minimal and the maximum column, add the root node to our queue. While the queue is not empty, pull a node, add the node value to the list based on the column number, update min and max based on the column number, add the left node, add the right node, convert the map to a list, return the results, implement the function convert to a list, create the resulting list, iterate do from min to max, add the values to results, return results.